sewer and drain cleaning maintenance tips from All Clear Plumbing. Roof vents have to stay clear of debris like birds' nests and falling leaves. Knowing the condition of your pipes means you know how carefully you have to treat them. Old pipes can be compromised, causing blockages, and roots can cause constant backups. Bellies or dips in the line accumulates matter and causes blockages too. Regardless of the condition of your pipes, pouring grease down the drain is asking for trouble. There is no such thing as a flushable wipe, toilet paper only. Think you might have trouble brewing? Here are some warning signs. Slow drains and gurgling toilets, sewer smells and unusually green patches in your lawn are a sign that your line might be broken. Like any good plumbing company, we have tons of drain cleaning solutions. From the lowly auger, the small drain machine is perfect for kitchens. The mainline machine is truly powerful. The hydrojetter can pressure wash inside your pipes. And our sewer inspection camera can show you exactly what's going on inside your pipes. In Greenville and Anderson County, give All Clear Plumbing a try for all your sewer and drain cleaning needs.